Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how Hyperledger Fabric could be run on multiple machines, multiple nodes. I'm using Google Cloud VM installer. I have got 4 instances running here, and I got connected through shell. This is my first instance where I have got 4 nodes running. Sorry. Yeah, this is what my nodes are. I have got 4 instances running here, and each of them has their own order. Instance 1 has got one peer, and I have the order here somewhere. See here, peers API. So keep it here. This is the order running on instance 1. Instance 2 also has got order. Yeah, here order 1. Order for instance 3, and order for instance 4. Here is it. So each of the instance has got their own order. Let's check out the Docker composer file, which is here. We have got 4 order, 4 peers, 1 peers each for each order. Cows DB, 4 cows DB running on each instance. CLI, which is running globally, and 4 APIs to communicate with each of the instances. So yeah, this is the order, which is order 0 running on instance 1, and this is overall. So APIs has got their own port. 3000 is extended here, and this is running on instance 1. API 1 has got 3001 running on instance 2. API 2, which is extending 3002 and running on instance 3, and API 3 has 3003 extended for 3001, which is running on instance 4. So this is what overall it looks like. Now let's check the data here. So yeah, I have got saved all the commands in Notepad. So this will get me the list of accounts which already exist with this smart contract. Yeah. So everything looks right, but yet yeah, that's it. So these are the accounts we already have. I already have in this database. User 1 to just recently added for testing purpose, which could be also queried from all the instances. Let's say instance 4. If you go to the instance 4 and run the command, because 3003 is exposed for instance 4 in the command. some moment. Yeah, so instance 4 also has got, so we can see that instance 4 also has the same data where instance 1 has. So they are communicating. Let's add one user here. So we are going to add, we have user 1, user 2, user 3. For instance 4 we will be adding user 4. User 4, sorry 3, yeah. So we are adding user 4 on instance 4. Yeah, I'm getting this error because of the event triggering function, which is not being analyzed by Fabric client. Anyway, so if we go to instance 1 and then query about our list of accounts, then we will have the here we will have user 4 been added. So same thing goes. So if I want to transact on you, let's say on instance 3, I will be adding some amount to user account 4. Clear the screen, go to my notepad and copy this part of there, which will add some token some values, which will add values to instance, yeah, I mean to account. So yeah, I will be changing the port to 2 because this is what the port is exposed to for REST API, and I will be replacing this with the account address of user 4. So this is the user I have just created. Copied it, paste it over here. Normally it doesn't take that much time. Okay, the ledger has been updated. So if we go again to instance 1 and then query for the list of accounts, I have 1000 deposited in the account of user 4. So this is it. So if we want to let's go to instance 2 and then clear out everything and transfer some funds from user 4 to, let's say, user 2. So let's say user 1, I will be transferring some funds from sitting on instance 2 from user 4 to user 1. So yeah, let's do it. Change the port to 1 because instance 2, as I have already shown, on instance 2 3001 is exposed for API calls. So I have changed the port to 3001. From account, which will be our this account, and to account, which will be user 1. So taking time to pass the transaction. It will take few moments. Yeah, the transaction has been completed. Sorry about this error. The event is not been triggered. The front end will grab the the events are triggered when every transaction is passed. So now we can see that user 4 the 250 has been transferred to user 1, and we are checking this on instance 1, whereas we did the transaction on instance 2. So I mean to say that all the instances are in sync right now, and if we need to check the account the history of the account, we can also do that on any of the instance. Let's say we need to check the history of account 1 maybe. Yes, so account 1 was created. The account 1 was created, then 1000 was deposited and then transferred, which is the balance left. So this is how all the instances have the same. All the instances layers the lasers are being updated in the peers node. So this is a very good example of how this could be achieved in multi-node using Docker Swarm. And this 2003 is exposed to instance 3. Here we have the details. So each of the instance has the same laser copy which is updated. So yeah, that's it. So in summary, I have got 4 nodes running right now, as I have shown you. So instance 1 is running as the leader right now. If we restart any of the instance, automatically leader will be selected and shifted to the next available instance. So you have the copy of the laser available to all of the instance. So yeah, to summarize everything is that I've got 4 orderers for each of the instances, 4 peers, and 4 CouchDB, and 4 API which will be exposing the entire SDK. So yeah, that's it. Thank you very much.